Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Autopay in QuickBooks Online. First, navigate to the gear icon and select Recurring Transactions under Lists. This is where you will manage all your automated billing. Autopay streamlines your billing process, ensuring you get paid consistently without manual effort. It's a powerful tool for managing your cash flow efficiently. Next, click New to create a new recurring transaction. Select Invoice as the type, then choose your customer and set the interval for how often the invoice should be sent. You can specify daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly frequencies. Remember to add all the necessary products or services and their respective amounts to the invoice template. This forms the basis for your automated billing. Now, to enable Autopay, make sure Online Payments is turned on for this recurring invoice. Your customer must have a saved payment method, such as a credit card or bank account, on file. Once enabled, QuickBooks Online will automatically process payments on the due date, eliminating the need for manual collection. This step is crucial for truly hands-free billing. Finally, always review your recurring transactions list to confirm everything is set up correctly. You can easily edit, pause, or delete any recurring invoice template if your customer's needs change. This ensures flexibility while maintaining the benefits of automation. Autopay is designed to give you peace of mind, knowing your recurring revenue is consistently managed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.